Lake La Quinta is one of the most centrally located gated communities in La Quinta, California. It sits just off Washington and Adams Street, a stone's throw from Highway 111, with Old Town La Quinta, shopping, restaurants, and everyday conveniences all close by. But what makes Lake La Quinta stand out is the setting. This is a rare desert community where you get blue water, green grass, palm-lined streets, and the Santa Rosa Mountains in the background. The community has roughly 288 homes, and about 110 are directly on the lake. That means only about 38% of the homes are lakefront, while the other 62% are off-lake. That difference matters for buyers. Homes off the lake currently have the lower monthly HOA fee at about $547 per month, while lakefront homes pay about $599 per month because of the direct lakefront position. So one of the first decisions here is lifestyle versus value. Do you want the private lake experience, or do you want to be in the community at a lower monthly cost? The homes were built in phases, generally from early 1990s into the mid-2000s, so conditions vary. Different sections offer different floor plans, lot settings, and views. Some homes have already been modernized, while others still need updates to kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, windows, or outdoor spaces. But many have strong bones, larger layouts, high ceilings, good indoor-outdoor flow, and real upside for the right buyer. The HOA includes fishing, a 3-acre park, a tennis court, a community pool, barbecue and picnic facilities, boat docks, and a large area for lake activities. So if you're looking for a central La Quinta location with a relaxed waterfront feel, Lake La Quinta is a community worth understanding before you buy.